Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Biology Fun. A very big update is coming from the Telangana government about the intermediate first year examinations. From the Times of India, Telangana intermediate first year exam schedule 2020 to 2021 is released. So previously the students were promoted without exam due to pandemic. They now have to appear for the examination that will be conducted from October 25, 2021. So you have to get ready for the examination. And they were saying that the Telangana State Board of Intermediate Education on Friday announced that the first year inter examination of 2020 to 2021 academic year will be conducted from October 25. Note this date. From this date you will be having the examination. The board, which had earlier promoted the students of the intermediate first year to the second year without conducting public examination due to pandemic of the COVID-19, on Friday the government has announced the schedule of the examinations. Back then the government of Telangana announced that examinations will be held whenever the situation becomes possible at a future date, and the schedule will be announced at least 15 days before the examinations, and hence it is announced. So you need to be prepared for the exam. And the good thing is that you only have to prepare for 70% of the syllabus. 70% of the syllabus, because 30% of syllabus is reduced. So you need to prepare with this 70% syllabus. And if you want me to discuss all the important questions that will be coming in your IP, the most expected questions, you can comment below. I will explain all those important questions, and then you can very easily write this in your exam. The board said that the COVID-19 protocols will be followed at each and every center, and there will be 2 isolation rooms for allotting the students suffering from suspected symptoms. ANM or staff nurse will be appointed in the center throughout the exam days. Okay, so as per the schedule released, intermediate first year examinations will be conducted between October 25, 2021 to November 2, 2021. Remember, your examinations are now going to be held, and you need to prepare very well for the exam. So many students were chilled, like there will be no exam, but see, your examination is going to start from 25th October 2021, and that will be from Monday to 2nd November 2021, that is Tuesday. So at 25th October you will be having your second language paper. That might be your Arabic or your Sanskrit or French or Hindi, whatever you have chosen. On Tuesday you will be having your English paper, and on Wednesday, that is 27th October, you will be having for BPC students botany paper, and for MPC student mathematics paper, and for CEC student political science paper. On Thursday 28th October, you will be having mathematics paper for MPC, for BPC zoology paper, for CEC history paper. So you need to prepare very well. On Friday 29th October, you will be having physics paper for MPC BPC, for CEC economic paper. On Saturday, that is 30th October, you will be having chemistry paper MPC BPC students, for CEC commerce paper. And on Monday, that is 1st November, you will be having for bridge course students, that is for BPC students that are applied for bridge course, not for normal students. They will be having bridge course maths paper. And for Thursday, modern language paper and geography paper, that is for CEC students. So for BPC students, normal BPC students that are not having any bridge course, they will end their exam till 30th October with chemistry paper for BPC and MPC. Okay, so this is your schedule. Go through it. Okay, and if you want me to take a detailed lectures on each and every IP most important questions, I will definitely take it. So for now, thank you. Please subscribe the channel. Please subscribe our channel, like it and share it. Thank you, students. Thank you.